Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started towards the new video, and thank you for everybody that we have got the channel back, and we are happy for that. And please love and support more so that we can make more videos and more subscribers this year. And here we are doing the unboxing of the used parts which we have got from one of the friend. So here you can see this is a wireless adapter where you can connect it to your PC, and you can just browse the internet without connecting any wires like LAN cables. You can use this TP Link adapter, and here is the tray, and we are just opening the motherboard, which is H61m from Gigabyte. So this is the used parts because we uh, lost the PC motherboard because of the pins shorted. So whenever the pins shorted, it means that the PC won't be displaying anything, and you have to check these pins, and if the pins are crossed or shorted, then you won't be able to see the display. So make sure you either change it or you have to buy a new product. So this is all about the unboxing video, guys. I'll share the link in the description so that you can buy the new one. Hope you like the video. Keep loving more.